Greetings everyone! Welcome to the 27th episode of Freeway to Financial Freedom. My name is Chun-Yin Yu, the host of the show. For those of you who have seen the show before, you know what this is about. And for those of you who have never seen the show or are here watching the show for the first time, don't worry, I'll tell you right now. This show is going to change the way you think about finance. And by watching this show, it will help you become financially affluent in life. How is it possible? To show you how this is so, here's a story.
Cashflow is the story of how an average person overcomes obstacles and limitations to escape the rat race and take charge of their financial future. It all began when our wide-eyed hero graduated college, got a job, accumulated debt, and found himself stuck firmly in the middle of the same rat race he swore he would avoid when he used to dream big. How would he ever find his way out?
It's Ready Rat to the rescue, rescue, rescue! It's time for you to escape this rat race! Let me show you the way out!
With that, our hero learned how to change his thinking about money and investing, understand risk and grow his passive income, providing him with the financial freedom to get out of the rat race that was making him live from hand to mouth with little chance that anything would change. Finally, our hero escapes the rat race and goes down a road of his very own, where all of his dreams come true. The end.
Freeway to Financial Freedom is sponsored by Income and Product Emporium. Fly high with financial and technological freedom. And CYY Mall. Great savings come from shoppers like you. And now back to the show. Alright, let's see here. My job is, my occupation is janitor, and my dream, dinner with the president. And so I'm going to choose this stream. And this is going to take a while since I'm actually waiting for a potential challenger. Ah, here it is. We have a challenger named Sara, spelled S-A-R-A, Sara. Alright, so since she's actually ready for the games, let's just start the game for real. Okay, now it's my turn. And let me just roll a die really quick. 6, okay, well I'm actually moving a little bit faster at the start. And there's opportunity, and let me take a small deal. Stock MYT for your electronics, $20 per share. Yeah, that's a little bit too high, so I'm going to have to pass. And now Sarah's turn. And let's see, well, she landed on market, and of course she has no property with her, so that's fine. Oh, almost forgot. Sarah's dream is the South Sea Island Fantasy. And now it's my turn. 1 charity. That's great. Yeah, I'm gonna have to donate first, so I donate about $160 to charity. And now it's Sarah's turn. And she landed on charity as well. And let's see what's her decision. And let's see here. She paid $200 to charity. Okay, well, looks like we can actually move a little bit faster. Well, at least in theory. Now it's my turn. Let me roll 2 dice. 5. And let's see. There's opportunity. And let me take a small deal. House for sale. 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Nice 3-2 house available in depressed market due to layoff. Would make a good investment in this for the right buyer. Uses for sale for sale to the players, 60% RI may sell for $65,000 to $135,000. Cost of $50,000, mortgage of $46,000, down payment of $400 100,000 and cash flow 200. Well, yeah.
My real estate broker says property will go up in value. What do you think?
Well, ask your real estate broker if they have a crystal ball. Always remember that your profit is made when you buy, not when you sell.
But I'm spending money and buying. So how does that work? Making a profit when I'm spending money?
Do you hope the investment will go up in value?
Well, yeah. That's why I'm spending money, I think.
Well, you should never expect the price of anything to go up in order to make a profit. A piece of real estate needs to be profitable when you buy it. It's the same as a stock needs to pay a dividend when you buy it. Never expect a thing to go up in value. That's gambling.
Okay, so if I borrowed $400, I'm sorry, $2,400, then I have to pay $240. That's more than a cash flow of $200. So yeah, I would like lose $40. Yeah, I might have to skip that for now.
Yeah, I would have passed on that deal too.
And now Sarah's turn, and she rolled a 6, and she let on Doodad, bought a new clothes, paid $250 in cash, and it should be my turn, no doubt. 5 again, and that's a paycheck. And I took home 650, and now Sarah's turn. She rolled 4. That's a paycheck as well. And now it's my turn. 6. And what is this? Downside.
You say investing isn't risky.
Well, there's always risk when you invest, but it doesn't mean you have to be risky. You don't have to be a risky investor. When you drive your car, there's risk, right?
Yeah, but...
You don't have to be a risky driver. If you take a few lessons, practice, take it slow, you'll be a very good investor. There's always risk, but you don't have to be risky.
Oh, I see.
Okay, well, I'm actually downsized, so I still have the $1,400 cash on hand. Okay, now it's her turn, and she rolled a 5. There's opportunity. Condo for sale. That's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and she passed the opportunity. And of course, I'm still downsized, so I just have like 2 more turns to go. And let's see here, she landed on a small deal opportunity and she passed that opportunity. And now, and of course I'm still downsized, so I couldn't do anything about it. And now Sarah's turn. She rolled 2 and there's opportunity again. Let's see here. She landed on a small deal opportunity, and this time it's a mutual fund, $40 per share, and she passed the opportunity. And I think it's my turn.
Be careful with real estate. Tenants could damage your property.
That's correct, but that's what you have insurance for. And don't worry so much about the tenants or what they could do. You need to focus on those rent checks coming in every month. If you have good property managers, they'll take care of that problem for you.
Well, there was a 2-1 opportunity, but of course it was actually, the price of that condo was too high. Wow, so there might be some loss here. Okay, now it's her turn, and she landed on a small deal opportunity, and there's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, no down payment, and she bought it at no down payment, adding a cash flow 100. Now it's my turn. 6. And that's opportunity, no doubt. Let me take a small deal. Stock, okay for you. Drug, $10. Well, that's a little bit too high, so I have to pass that. And now it's Sarah's turn. And she rolled 3 and took a paycheck of $870. And now it's my turn. 6 again. Okay, well I can run it a little faster now. I'll take a small deal. On to entertainment. Movie buyers fire after third mega flop. Shares sink. Chairman bonus cancelled. Only you may buy as many shares as you want at this price. Everyone may sell this price. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass that. And now it's Sarah's turn. She rolled a 1. And that's the opportunity. On to entertainment. $40.
What is the first question I should ask my stockbroker?
Well, the first question I'd ask is, do you invest in stocks? Statistics show that most stockbrokers don't invest in stocks. The same is true with most real estate brokers. They don't invest in real estate. You see, most brokers are not investors. The reason they're called brokers is because they're broker than you are.
Okay, well, she bought a share of Onto You Entertainment for $40. And of course I land on paycheck. Now it's her turn and she landed on opportunity again. Condo for sale, 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and she passed the opportunity because there's a negative cash flow. And now it's my turn. 6. And I'm downsized for a second time. And of course, well, looks like I have to lose 3 turns again. Now it's Sarah's turn. Roll 3 and she got her first child. And that adds 110 to her child expense. And of course I'm downsized, so I couldn't do anything about it. Now it's Sarah's turn. And she had an opportunity. And there's condo for sale, the 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and she passed the opportunity. And of course I'm downsized, so I couldn't do anything about it. And now it's her turn. And she's on market.
I don't know. Taking out loans and borrowing money seems kind of dangerous.
Borrowing money isn't dangerous. It's what you do with the money that is dangerous. Always remember there is good debt and bad debt. Good debt makes you rich, and bad debt makes you poor. Unfortunately, most people invest in bad debt, and that's why they're poor.
Okay, well it's about time because I have to take a small deal onto entertainment. Yeah, well I'm gonna pass that because the price is too high, $20 per share. Now it's Sarah's turn. And now she's downsized for the first time. And now it's my turn. 2. And that's opportunity again. And let's hope it's a 3-2 condo or 2-1 condo. Start a company part-time. Yeah, there's no cash flow for that for now, so I'm gonna have to pass. And of course, Sarah's is downsized, so of course she can't do anything about it. And now it's my turn. 2. That's opportunity again, and let's hope it's a big investment. MYT for you electronics, $10 per share. Well, that's too high, so I have to pass. And now it's her turn. And of course, oh yeah, she's still downside, so... Okay, well, I have one more chance to run a little faster.
Mutual funds are good, safe investments.
Mutual funds aren't safe. Many only work if the stock market is going up. When the stock market drops, many mutual funds lose their value faster than other investments.
Okay, well, let me take a small deal. Condo for sale. Oh, two bedroom, 1 bathroom. Parents selling 2-1 condo used by their children in a college town. Lots of demand for rental in this area. Uses for sale to a player. 42% RI may sell for $45,000 to $65,000. Cost of $40,000. Mortgage of $36,000. Down payment of $4,000 and cash flow $140. Yeah, so I have to borrow $400. That you have to pay $40, but that's still more than cash flow. So I have a net cash flow of plus 100. So yeah, let's buy it.
Good job.
Okay, there's the loan amount of 100. Payment of 100. Okay, that's fine. I'll buy that. This will be a liability. This will be for loan amount. Bank payment, that's an expense. Down payment, that's an asset. Social cost. And then mortgage, that's the liability. And of course, cash flow is income. And I have cash flow of 690. Alright. And now it's Sarah's turn. And she landed on opportunity, and let's see what she has. Stock MYT for you electronics. And she passed that opportunity. And now it's my turn. One market, and let's see what I have right now. Apartment house buy. Well, I don't have any apartment, so I can't do any. So I don't have anything to sell except just a.
My stockbroker says that investing in real estate is risky.
What else would you expect a stockbroker to say about real estate? Why don't you ask a real estate broker what he thinks about stocks?
I wouldn't do that because he doesn't handle stock. Oh!
Okay, well, she landed on charity and she paid $210 to charity. Now it's my turn. 3. And that's an opportunity, no doubt. Small deal. You found a great deal. Company bought transferred manager's 3-2 house. No current tenant. Has been on market for 6 months, just reduced. Borrow from the bank if you must, but buy this. 150% RI may sell for $65,000 to $135,000. Cost of $45,000, mortgage of $43,000. Down payment of $200 and a cash flow of $250. So if I borrow $2,000, you pay $200 for the loan payment, but that's more than a cash flow of $250. So I can still earn $50. So let's buy it.
That's the way to do it.
Okay, so that's a liability for loan amount, expense for bank payment, and then down payment, that's an asset. Cost is an asset as well. Mortgage is a liability, and of course cash flow is income. And now I now have cash flow of 740. Hey, that's nice. All right, now it's Sarah's turn. And she has her second child, adding another 110 to her child expense. And now it's my turn. 3. And of course that's a paycheck. I took home with 740. And let's see, she's on market.
Broker says property will go up in value. What do you think?
Well, ask your real estate broker if they have a crystal ball. Always remember that your profit is made when you buy, not when you sell.
But I'm spending money and buying. So how does that work? Making a profit when I'm spending money?
Do you hope the investment will go up in value?
Well, yeah, that's why I'm spending money, I think.
Well, you should never expect the price of anything to go up in order to make a profit. A piece of real estate needs to be profitable when you buy it. It's the same as a stock needs to pay a dividend when you buy it. Never expect a thing to go up in value. That's gambling.
Okay, well I'm gonna buy this because even though the net cash flow is net minus 100, well, at least there's no down payment. So let's try that. So now I have my cash flow is reduced to 640. And now it's Sarah's turn. And let's see what's her opportunity, and she found a great deal, the 3-2 house. That's a down payment of $202,000, and let's see what's her decision. They paid $2,000 for that house, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, added cash flow of $220, and now it's my turn. 5. And I'm downsized for the 3rd time. Wow. And let's see, it's her turn, and there's she let undo that and bought a big screen TV for $4,000. Now it's my turn, and of course.
Why do you say investing isn't risky?
Well, there's always risk when you invest, but it doesn't mean you have to be risky. You don't have to be a risky investor. When you drive your car, there's risk, right?
Yeah, but...
You don't have to be a risky driver. If you take a few lessons, practice, take it slow, you'll be a very good investor. There's always risk, but you don't have to be risky.
Oh, I see.
Well, of course I'm downsized, and of course Sarah led it on charity for the 3rd time, paid $232 to charity. Now it's her turn, and she took home $790 twice, so that's $1,580 total. And now it's my turn. 1 opportunity, and let me take a small deal. MYT for your electronics, $30 per share. Well, it's too high, I'm still gonna pass. Now it's Sarah's turn. And she landed on opportunity. And her decision. And let's see what she has right now. Mutual fund, Grow for Us fund, $30 per share, and she bought 12 shares for $360. Now it's my turn. 4. Take a small deal. MYT for your electronics, $20 per share. Well, it's too high, so I better pass. Now it's Sarah's turn. And she had an opportunity.
Be careful with real estate. Tenants could damage your property.
That's correct, but that's what you have insurance for. And don't worry so much about the tenants or what they could do. You need to focus on those rent checks coming in every month. If you have good property managers, they'll take care of that problem for you.
Okay, well, she passed the opportunity for the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Now it's my turn. Now I'll take a small deal. Mutual fund, Grow for Us fund, $10. Well, that's too much, so better pass. And now Sarah's turn. And she had an opportunity. And there's MIT for you electronics stock. And let's see what's her decision. And she passed that opportunity. Now it's my turn. 4, alright. So let's take an opportunity for real. Condo for sale, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass that because there might be some loss here.
Yeah, I would have passed on that deal too.
Now it's my turn. Oh, actually, now it's her turn. Sorry. And she led on onto you entertainment stock. And let's see what's her decision. She passed that opportunity. Now it's my turn. Warner's Market, and let's see if I could sell something for real. You are offered.
The first question I should ask my stockbroker.
Well, the first question I'd ask is, do you invest in stocks? Statistics show that most stockbrokers don't invest in stocks. The same is true with most real estate brokers. They don't invest in real estate. You see, most brokers are not investors. The reason they're called brokers is because they're broker than you are.
You are offered $135,000 for a 3-2 rental house. Buyer has own financing. Everyone may sell this price. If you sell, pay off the related mortgage and give up the cash flow you currently receive on this property. Yeah, that's the highest you can get. So if I do sell it, then yeah, I'll be like, let's see, I'll be earning $90,000 on the first one and then $85,000 on the second one, so that's $175,000. Yeah, let's try that. I'll sell both of them. And of course I'll give up this. And this. So now I have $490 in cash flow, but I have $170,760 on hand. Now it's Sarah's turn. And she landed on a paycheck. Took home $670, and of course it's gonna be my turn, no doubt. And let me just pay off my loans. Let's see, this is the big one here, the one of $2,000 and the one of $1,000. And let me see, I'll pay off this, this, and this. So now I have no loans.
I don't know. Taking out loans and borrowing money seems kind of dangerous.
Borrowing money isn't dangerous. It's what you do with the money that's dangerous. Remember, there is good debt and bad debt. Good debt makes you rich, and bad debt makes you poor. Unfortunately, most people invest in bad debt, and that's why they're poor.
60-unit apartment, a 60-unit complex available from a pension fund that foreclosed on builder owner. On-site management in place. Uses for sale for tender player. 66% RI may sell for $1.5 million to $2.7 million. Cost of $1.2 million, mortgage of $1 million, down payment of $200,000, and cash flow of impressive $11,000. So, if I buy this, I'll have to borrow as much as $60,000. I have to pay $6,000, but still, it's more than the cash flow of $11,000, so I'll earn $5,000. Actually, it means I have a net cash flow of $5,000 plus $5,000. Hey, great deal! I'm gonna buy it.
There you go.
Thanks. So this loan amount that we had, liability, bank payment that's expense, down payment that's an asset, so it's a cost. Mortgage as a liability, and cash flow as an income. And yeah, now I have cash flow of $6,960, and still I have $760 on hand. Lovely. And now Sarah's turn. And she landed on opportunity. And she landed on stock. Okay for you, drug. And the share is $30. The price of shares is $30.
Mutual funds are good, safe investments.
Mutual funds aren't safe. Many only work if the stock market is going up. When the stock market drops, many mutual funds lose their value faster than other investments.
Congratulations, you reached the fast track. You've proved your financial intelligence. Your rat-race investment have prospered. You've reinvested your returns for outstanding investment success. You've successfully increased your passive income 100 times. Yay! Lovely! So now I'm on a fast track. Alright, so now I can roll 2 dice. 4. Alright. A mini farm in the city. And yeah, my goal is to have a dinner with the president, so yeah, I'm gonna have to pass that. And now Sarah's turn. and she took home $670. And of course, let's see, I have the cash flow day goal of $1,164,000, and of course I need 50 more thousand for the daily cash flow. Now it's my turn. 3, and let's see what I have. Dry cleaner, 2 stores, $3,000 per month cash flow with 36% cash on return. Down payment of $100,000. Hey, good deal, I'm gonna buy that. So now it's Sarah's turn. And let's see what's her opportunity. Okay, NYT for you stock, $5 per share. Yeah, $5 per share, and she passed the opportunity. Now it's my turn. 8. Hopefully business.
My stockbroker says that investing in real estate is risky.
What else would you expect a stockbroker to say about real estate? Why don't you ask a real estate broker what he thinks about stocks?
I wouldn't do that because he doesn't handle stock. Oh!
60-unit apartment building, $8,000 monthly cash flow with 32% cash on return, down payment of $300,000. Hey, great deal, I'm gonna buy that. And of course, let's see, she landed on a small deal and she paid $3,000 for the house, the 3-2 house worth $50,000. Of course, she paid $3,000 for that. Now it's my turn. 8. Hopefully business. Yeah, I can't wait for that one. T-shirt stores, 5 outlets, cash on return of 40% and a monthly cash flow of $8,000. Down payment of $200,000. Hey, great deal, gonna buy that. And I still have 31,000 daily cash flow to go. Okay, now it's Sarah's turn, and she let undo that. Pay $120 to for the air show in cash. Now it's my turn. Hopefully I can get 2. 6. Okay, so hopefully business. Beauty salon, 3 shops. 10 impressive $10,000 monthly cash flow, 40% cash on return, down payment of $250,000. Hey, great deal, I'm gonna buy that. And now I have 21,000 daily cash flow to go. Now it's Sarah's turn.
Real estate broker says property will go up in value. What do you think?
Well, ask your real estate broker if they have a crystal ball. Always remember that your profit is made when you buy, not when you sell.
But I'm spending money and buying. So how does that work? Making a profit when I'm spending money?
Do you hope the investment will go up in value?
Well, yeah. That's why I'm spending money, I think.
Well, you should never expect the price of anything to go up in order to make a profit. A piece of real estate needs to be profitable when you buy it. It's the same as a stock needs to pay a dividend when you buy it. Never expect a thing to go up in value. That's gambling.
Okay, well, Sarah paid $41,640 for 1,380 shares of Onto You stock. Now it's my turn, and I landed on charity after rolling 12. So for $100,000, you may roll 1, 2, or 3 dice on each turn. Hey, impressive! I'm gonna donate it. And now Sarah's turn. And of course, she let on Onto You stock, $10 per share, and she sold 165 shares for $1,650. Well, unwise investment, I say. Now it's my turn. Let me roll 3 dice. 13, lovely. And let me see what is it gonna be? Capitalist Peace Corp. Entrepreneurial business school in third world nations. Instructors are business people donating their knowledge and time. Well, it's not my dream, but I can help it. So yeah, let's buy that. And now Sarah's turn.
Why do you say investing isn't risky?
Well, there's always risk when you invest, but it doesn't mean you have to be risky. You don't have to be a risky investor. When you drive your car, there's risk, right?
Yeah, but...
You don't have to be a risky driver. If you take a few lessons, practice, take it slow, you'll be a very good investor. There's always risk, but you don't have to be risky.
Oh, I see.
And of course, I landed on my dream. Dinner with the president. Buy a table for 10 friends to dine with the president at a gala ball for visiting dignitaries from around the world. Cost of $100,000. Well, looks like I can end the game for real, so let's buy it. Congratulations, you won the game and achieved your dream goal. Final scores, I have 240 and Sarah 30. Yay! Yeah, thank goodness I could actually close the game a little early thanks to that 20-unit apartment with a cash flow of monthly cash flow of $11,000. Well, that really helps me a lot, so it's great. So now you know what it means to be in the freeway to financial freedom. By applying these concepts from this show into your daily life, you can overcome financial obstacles and avoid financial pitfalls while creating new sources of wealth through wise financial decisions, so you can be in a state of affluence and prosperity for the rest of your life and future generations. Alright, that's it for this episode of the show, and remember, knowledge is your golden ticket to affluence. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.